Hey pretties. Okay, so it is the 24th. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, really exactly on the dot. I'm spending the weekend with Dre. So right now I'm packing. I'm already dressed. I don't really like the pants with this outfit, but y'all know I need pants. Anyway, I'm packing. I already ate breakfast. I made some avocado toast and some chicken sausage. There's just so much that happened that I didn't really update y'all on. But this is a water bottle I got from the dollar store when I was at the movies. I don't know if this will be in the same vlog as that or not, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm about to pack. Me and him are supposed to go to the gym this weekend. I went to the gym not yesterday, but the day before yesterday. So my legs are pretty fucking sore. Yeah, I'm just about to pack, get ready to go. This is my fit. Please ignore my messy ass room. This top is thrifted. This whole jean piece is from Fashion Nova. These jeans are from Boohoo. It's cute. I feel like it's missing something, but I'm not sure what it's missing, so I don't know. Yeah, I'm not about to pack like super crazy outfits or nothing. Just simple stuff, cause we're about to be chilling probably most of the weekend. Y'all know I be forgetting my camera, but we're here. Thank you. I was at work all day yesterday, and so was Dre on. Because now we work in the same building. Who would have thought that's where we could be? Certainly not us. I did not see that in our future, but God has a way of surprising you. Okay. They took your spot still? My outfit's cute, but my hair's not brushed. You know, you gotta be multi-dimensional sometimes. Because, I don't know which, is this his car? No, that's not his car. I think this is the, yes. I didn't even record, but we were journaling. This is how mine came out. Hold on. This is what I did so far today. This will not stay, but that's alright. And then I haven't showed y'all all of them. This was my first. This was my second. I love this one. This is so cool. This was one I did like yesterday or something. And then this was today. Can I show them yours? This is yours. It's cute. It's cute.
Feature my pretty toes.
Your feet are not in that. Okay, y'all. This is the bottle we decided. Look how cute this bottle is. It matches my outfit. Y'all know. He's about to drink his chalice, his king's cup. You know. I got way too much, but he's about to leave. Because, like I said, I need a better tripod vest. Yeah, but, yeah, I did. Yeah, that's why I tell people things. Because if I don't, I'll forget. I really like this fit.
You see, that's why I've been pissing you off. Because you do stuff to piss me off too. So if you can piss me off, I'm not going to stop pissing you off. So that's why. So like any friendship duo that get irritated with each other, me, I know, I like to talk shit, right? And everybody that around me can't handle it. But the thing is, they also do stuff to piss me off on an ongoing pattern. So why would I stop pissing you off if you're going to piss me off? So if you see her doing that, right? That's because she can't keep up. Like she started and then get ate down every time.
He acts like I'm not about to edit half
every time. It's okay. It'll be said again in mine, and she can edit mine out. Thank you. I'll drink to that. Thank you. Silence goes to girl in the corner.
He be thinking he eating, don't be eating shit, y'all. He be eating plain shit. Just talking shit. He just be talking shit.
Now we here, she showing out.
Hey,
okay?
y'all.
She acting unusual. Okay? But anyways, ooh, take that back, because that's poisonous. Why? Like, y'all saw that,
I had to. Like, I just feel like sometimes niggas like this, you really gotta yoink up. You gotta... Let's take this shot.
Anyways,
did you show
day
the
2
bottle?
of the Bestie week. Yeah, you know what that means. We have to celebrate.
What they say? Cabaret. What is
cabaret wasted? Cabaret wasted.
Are you ready? Let me do a toast. Here's to being fabulous. Here's to being better than people. Here's to being so pretty that nobody can keep up.
Toast to more life. Toast to a great January. You know, it started off very, very rocky for us. Like we were
almost falling.
We were like at our neck.
No. Honestly, my head went in.
No, we were right here. We were right here. Okay.
Quick break.
We were right here.
Together.
Until like January 12th. Until
January 12th? It was like January 10th, maybe.
Yeah, we were right here. We were right here.
You see how we have a date? That's how close we were.
But God, you know, we held each other down.
Praise.
And we said that, you know, we're gonna be good. We don't know how we're gonna be good, but we're gonna be good.
And we've been great.
And we've been better than good, you know? So cheers to God keeping us. Cheers to our friendship. We're coming up on our year. So cheers to a year long of us being best friends, because from beginning to end, it's been something, baby. It's been adventure after adventure after adventure after adventure. And
sometimes we lost.
We ain't never lose.
That's true.
We ain't never lose.
Sometimes we got knocked down, but we got back up.
Yeah, we you know, real niggas stumble, but they never fall.
Amen. I like that.
But cheers to approaching 6 months in my home. Cheers to approaching a year with my best. Cheers to my best about to graduate.
Oh, I'm about to graduate, y'all.
You looking at 2 centurions to be.
2.
Come don't play.
May 10th, 2025.
2025. This space. It tastes like a firework.
It does. I didn't even need a chaser for that. Y'all, I'm already 6 shots in. That's ridiculous. We're playing Uno. I lost. Oh, my camera's dead, but pray for me.
1 eternity later.
Hey, pretties. Okay, so I know I sound like I lost my voice, but I'm heading to go out with some friends. We're having a little Galentines thing. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing. Hold on. This is what I'm wearing. Thrifted pink pants. This is actually like a dress, but I'm wearing it as a top. Fashion Nova blazer, pretty little thing. Some simple, some white. I don't really have a bag to match, so I'm just doing this bag. Kind of don't go, but it's still cute, so yeah, let's head out. Twin here! Even though she was Raven's idea, not mine, which was so fake. Whatever. Yeah. Wanna go out there and play games? Yeah, sure. Yo, we had to wait for hours. Okay, y'all, we're playing golf. Oh my god, it's so cute.
Come on, right there. And you talk about top golf.
I'm good at top golf.
Okay.
Oh wow. Top golf is way easier than this. What the fuck? Pretty. So it is the 17th. I haven't seen me since the 15th. I just want to have my Galentines Day stuff. But it's a new day and it's a content day. This little contraption is how I'm gonna film this video. I wanna where I'm over the bed. It's really cute, really aesthetic. And I have all the outfits already planned. So yeah, let's film. Okay, so this is the fit for the first one.
I'm not gonna die. You would push a pillow over your head. Oh, because I'm feeling so high today.
How's the baby?
Relax. Doctor said they could come ultrasound machine now.
This was outfit 2.
Well, not really much to tell. I'm kind of a simple guy. Many, at least 50. A stack of my coasters in the drawer.
Ooh.
I'm the type of nigga that gets sassy on the bitch. VVS, clarity, stone, Prezi on the bitch. And I'm feeling like the hand of God. Bless me in this bitch. Put respect up on my name, ho. I'm heavy in this bitch. I just want 7 Grammys, girl. You gotta fuck me. And I got a song with Beyonce. Love me. Poppin' Williams on the